Alright, freestyle to this beat, I don't even know what it is. I'm stoned. Fee-fi-fo-fum, you better run, cause I got a gun. I'm shooting people for fun. Fee-fi-fo-fum, you better run, because I have got a gun. Yeah, you know that I have got a gun, I'm aiming for your knees. Yeah, you know I got a sick disease, yeah. It's twisted mentality. All you motherfuckers know that you will never fathom me. The way I got it, you know I got the best hydroponics in the province, and you cut me limping in my heel. Yeah, do you know how I feel? Like I am a seal getting chased by a shark. Fuck you, you're a narc. If you wanna fuck with me, I'll fuck you after dark. Yeah, you know these joints that I spark. Lights the lighter, it makes me high, and my brain's so sick, I need apple cider. You give me a joint and I'm gonna light her. I'm so hot that I can make fire. Quick, someone grab me the firefighter. I'm about to burn this bitch down. I'm my own boss, you can push me around. I will spit in your face with my musical sound. Knock you out in the first round, make you look like a clown. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, how does that sound? Cause Garvey is freestyle bound. Got boys in the dog pound, and I never give a rap. No, I'd rather drown. Have my life put in the ground, somewhere where I won't be found. Blowing smoke the size of clouds, with all my pals like wow. Garvey's brain is losing it now, as psychotic visions trample my brain. I'm just like, dang, here I go again. I'm so high I can fly, look at my wings. When I get to heaven, all the angels will sing. How much weed did you bring? Cha-ching. I'll be sitting on the front door and heaven swing. Yeah, bitches on my ding-a-ling. I got crack that can make your ears ring. I've said it, yeah, you know I'm the best. Lay you down to rest. Fuck a bulletproof vest. I am invincible. I am invincible. These are just my principles. You know that this is intellect. This is harder than science, math, English, social. Yeah, you know that my brain ain't social. Yeah, you know I like to stay by myself. All my feelings have been hung up on the shelf. Never will I need help, cause never will I have that feeling that I will doubt. I will always win, I will always grin. Can't you see that I grin while I sin? Cause I love selling hallucinogens to a bunch of kids, bitch, I'm stinking rich. These flows I flip, you know this game I conquered it, because I got a brick and I will smack you upside of the head with it. Yeah, can't you see that we're pushing and shoving in public? Then I got your pussy rubbing, this is snug shit. Yeah, I'm walking fly, you could tell you'll get caught in a drive-by. If you fuck with me and you try and steal my shoes, bitch, I got nothing to lose. I got a short wick and a short fuse. If you wanna fuck with me, bitch, you better not be rude to what you're saying to me, cause it is G-A-R to the B-I-E. There's no way that you're stopping me. At 1 plus 2, it equals 3. You know it's me. I'm falling like autumn, yeah, the leaves on the ground. I rip my sound. You fuck with me, I beat you down. This is how it goes, a vicious circle. You look like you are Steve Urkel in a jerk circle, sucking dick until it's purple. Yeah, these words aren't hurtful to you, cause you know what you do. You're a cum sack, bitch. You look like a fucking Jew, and nobody would ever wanna fuck you. That's why you're a whore on the corner. Yeah, guys can't get a boner. Yeah, so this girl disowns her. Yeah, you know that I'm oh so sick with my lyrics, and you can never conquer it. I move these bricks, bitch.